watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
The new offering from Fitbit, hailing from the Versa series, is a top contender for the mid-premium wearable market. The display does not look cheap, the features aren't lacking, the battery can definitely keep up with multi-day usage, and its aesthetics can compete as well. With all its bells and whistles, the Fitbit Versa 3 suffers the same limiting factor as its predecessors, and that is it's not a simple pick-up-and-go device. The smartwatch is heavily reliant on its official app, the pairing speed leaves more to be desired, and it's practically a cheap fitness tracker without a Fitbit Premium subscription. The Versa 3 is housed in a square aluminum and stainless steel chassis with an AMOLED display that has an always-on feature. The bands are interchangeable and cross-compatible with Pendleton and Victor Glenwood band collections. The screen has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which provides a decent toughness against scratches. However, Fitbit did not add an additional screen protector for this device. It is NFC-enabled for payments through Fitbit Pay and uses the same magnetic charger as the Fitbit Sense. The Versa 3 can power through 6 days of usage and can charge a day's worth of power in 12 minutes. During charging, the temperature of the device can be a little elevated, but not too high that it causes any concern. The smartwatch is supported on both Android and iOS platforms, but only supports text message notifications on Android. Its onboard music players include Deezer and Pandora, and offers playback control for Spotify. Unfortunately, it does not have access to Spotify used offline. Since it has a built-in speaker and microphone, the Versa 3 lets users enable the voice assistant function for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Voice recognition is fairly excellent, provided that users speak closer to the device, while phone calls and voicemail sending can be a little tricky with more room for error. The Versa 3 is definitely a step up from its predecessor. The new features bring a more customized fitness and well-being mindfulness to users, given that there is a Fitbit Premium subscription. Although it offers a more comprehensive set of health metrics, these are rendered useless without the app, making it heavily reliant on a smartphone. That said, it is capable of competing with flagship smartwatches in the market at a much lower price point. Do note that the device shines better when used with an Android, while iPhone users might need to look somewhere else, since some features are not fully compatible with iOS.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.